Don't know the first thing about money? You're not alone. But the good news, you're about to change your life, starting with just 3 steps. Step 1. Know where your money's going. Before you budget, just track what you spend for 1 week. Groceries, gas, coffee, everything. Awareness is power. Step 2. Build a basic budget. Think of your money like a pie: needs, wants, and savings. A simple rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Step 3. Protect your future. Start a savings account. Even $10 a week adds up. Learn what a TFSA or RRSP is. You'll thank yourself later. You don't need to be a math wizard to win at money. Just start. 1 step, $1, 1 habit at a time. Follow life on a ledger. We make money make sense. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.